Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail. This is a quick and simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to transfer your files in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp chat where your documents are located. Scroll through the conversation and find the files you want to send. Tap on each document, and at the top of your screen, you'll notice a few icons. Click on the download icon. It usually looks like a small arrow pointing downward. This will save the files directly to your device. Downloading the documents first is important because Gmail needs the files stored locally or on Google Drive before you can attach them. Once that's done, it's time to head over to Gmail. Open the Gmail app on your phone or go to Gmail in your web browser. Next, tap the Compose button to create a new email. In the new message window, look for the attachment icon. It's the little paperclip symbol. When you tap on the paperclip, you'll usually see two options. Attach files for documents saved on your device. Attach from Google Drive if you've uploaded the files there. Go ahead and choose the option that matches where your WhatsApp downloads are stored. Select all the documents you want to send, and Gmail will attach them one by one to your email. Now add the recipient's email address in the To field, write a subject line, and include a short message in the body of the email if needed. Before hitting send, double check that all your documents are attached properly. Finally, click the send button, and that's it. You've successfully sent multiple documents from WhatsApp to Gmail, and there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.